This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a CN train here at Dorval at Marshall Avenue, heading eastbound. Two Gevos on the front, it looks like. With a bus going overhead. One of those terrible, low floor, terrible ride buses. Nova crap. It's the 20th of June 2021. Around 11:15, 11:20 p.m. Usually I'm on the other side of this bridge. Decided to just come on this side to Marshall Avenue. Don't know if this is going to be good lighting, but we'll see. The switch stand there is for the Dorval plant, and that's behind me on CP. Here the switch comes out and crosses Marshall Avenue over there into a dead-end spur. I have a video of CP switching that area, taken of course from the other side. So I'm looking across here to the west as this eastbound train comes underneath the Dorval ramps here. These bridges that head to the airport from Highway 20. And were, for the longest time, not even completed. And I think it took them 5 years to complete these bridges, which is a pretty ridiculous amount of time. And that looks like the end of the train right there. So I'm gonna move up further into Lachine and see what I can find. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.